in this game number 2 against Jensen.
Oh, and all said and done, it's really experience. Oh, that Arwin and Ton Ring has been going at it as they approach going down into the front court as Basilan was on their defensive end. Eh, hindi tumitigil yung banggaan na yan between Arwin Santos and Tonton Ringas.
This is gonna be a big call because if hit.
Yeah, before that, meron na eh. Kanina pa yan eh. Oh, my.
It's in the head.
That should be disqualified.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's gonna be big.
I wouldn't be surprised if here.
There was excessive. There was wind up. And the thing is, if right now they have the lead, they're up by 14, but there's still a lot of time for Jensen to come back. If he does get to exit the game, he won't be available for game number 3.
Even mabigat. That's a huge possibility, but it's gonna depend on how the game officials interpret it.
And I was even mentioning earlier, he's very focused, si Arwin Santos, after making that end one situation earlier.
And he's been playing really better after that lethargic start to the season.
Yes, 15 points, 9 rebounds, 1 assist, 3 steals.
Upon
in their last
review,
game.
a disqualifying
Yeah,
foul on
yes,
number
that's it.
29,
Exactly.
Arwin Santos. Arwin Santos is out of the playing court.
He was asking why it was him, but the video clearly shows there was a swing. Tonton's still down there, and he's going to be attended to.
And that's gonna be a huge blow for Basilan if he's not gonna be available for game number 3. If in the event that they go on and win this game, this is still a lot of basketball left here though.
Yes.
73-59.
And this would mean, in the event that there'll be a game 3, that Adi Santos and Jervy Cruz, matter of fact, even Eman Calo, gonna, more minutes for them in that match. If it is indeed there's gonna be a game 3.
That leaves a gaping hole at the front court.
Because here started the fourth quarter. Basilan has made all their shot attempts, all 3 of them, a couple in the paint and 1 from the perimeter. Samantalang the Jensen Warriors, that 3 earlier by Eloy Tan and that 1 basket underneath